The governor opened up her press conference by saying that the storm is moving a little slower than they anticipated, or maybe arriving a little later. I want to send it over to Michelle now because actually it's right on time. We've been talking all along about how this storm was really going to start having an impact on the commute in the afternoon and into the evening. So it's really right on schedule, isn't it, Michelle?
Yeah, we're not surprised by anything that's happening with this storm right now. We, in late March, with borderline temperatures and the snow not really picking up until later in the day, never anticipated the roadways would become snowy until closer to sunset. In fact, I have a blog on our website from Monday morning, 7:30, talking about that. As we look at our radar this noontime, you can see the leading edge of what right now is some wet snow continuing to slowly work its way northward. It's been running into dry air, so very slow progress. Just a few flakes so far, making it as far north as Providence. That does change, but it takes until 5, 6 o'clock in the evening for that leading edge of that snow to make it up to the Boston area. So you get a sense that over the next 4 or 5 hours, conditions do start to change some, but especially more around and after the evening commute. Winds are gusting 20 to almost 40 miles per hour in Nantucket right now. Martha's Vineyard with a 33-mile-per-hour wind gust, 24-mile-per-hour gust in New Bedford. And looking at our threat tracker, it does go up for the evening and overnight as the heavier snow moves in, and that chance of accumulating snow, the likelihood of accumulations going up after sunset, gusting 35 to 50 miles per hour from the northeast, leading to that difficult travel that'll continue overnight and even early tomorrow morning. So our temperatures right now still running above freezing most spots. You get these temperatures and your March sun angle, and it has a tough time, even when it's snowing at a decent clip, sticking to the roadways or the grass. And we've been seeing that even in Newport, which has occasionally seeing the visibility drop down below a mile, and that's where we are right now. So dropping visibility, especially this evening and tonight, as our storm center continues to form and push to the north and east. Here's the Futurecast showing that slow progress of the snow expanding northward. As the storm intensifies, it pulls down colder air, so the temperatures will drop, and with nightfall, the snow amps up in its intensity, and we could be seeing snowfall rates as high as 1 to 2 inches per hour. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Already starting to see that easing up, with just some lingering snow showers through the morning on Thursday. So here's a look at what we expect on the ground by tomorrow morning: between 4 and possibly as high as 8 inches of snow. Here's how I expect it to pile up. So about a ½ inch on the ground by the evening commute. That jumps up to 2 and then 4 inches by midnight. And as you wake up tomorrow morning, you're getting into those 6, 7 inch totals. The wind's also going to strengthen. We'll start to see those gusts over 40 miles per hour becoming more frequent along the coast and then spreading inland. So late evening into the night is going to be your strongest wind gusts, 45 to 55 along the coastline, between 35 and 40 further inland. And that is going to make us at least have the risk, at least a low risk of some power outages. So I'd certainly prepare for that now. So the snow going to continue to fall throughout the afternoon and overnight hours tonight. Tomorrow morning, some lingering snow showers when you wake up. Difficult travel for your typical morning and school commute times, and then improving conditions with 41 degrees. We'll see some melting in the afternoon on Thursday. The weekend still looking dry right now, with a cautious look at Sunday and an offshore storm during the early part of next week.